So how do you film writing on the iPad? Let's get into it. So if you are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe right now as you don't want to miss videos like this one. Essentially, you have some options. Of course, you can grab another phone and use the camera to capture that, but that's not very practical, and it's much better to use the screen recording. This is a feature which is built into the iPad, and it can be found in the control center. So as you can see, I already have the button right there, but if you do not have it, you need to hold down somewhere around it to initiate the edit mode. Like, all of the toggles are movable, and then you can go to the plus button at the bottom to add a new control. And from the options, just go with the screen recording. And if you cannot find it, just search for it using the search bar. But essentially, you just want to have the toggle in the control center. And then whenever you want to capture something like your writing or whatever else, just start the screen recording like this, wait for the countdown, and then the screen is being captured as a video. So you can do whatever you gotta do, but before you stop, in order to stop it, you need to click on the button at the top, then confirm it by clicking the stop button again, and this video is gonna be saved alongside your other media in the Photos application. This, of course, gives you the ability to share it with anyone you want, or you can also use it for some other projects. Like, you can use it in a different video editors to, set up some kind of cool effect or something. But whatever you're gonna do, you need to capture it like this. So that was it from me. Hit the thumbs up if it worked for you, and if not, let me know in the comments what's really going on. So thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos.